Welcome to Crafty Hints. I'm Chantel. Thank you to all my subscribers and new friends for joining me. Today I participated in the Trash to Treasure DIY challenge with Sonja from Domestic Diva DIY and Sandra from the Schwowin's Nest. So you had to take something old and make it new again. I took these two candle holders. I got one for 99 cents and one for $1.99 from Goodwill. But those stickers are tough from Goodwill, so I gave it a little glue gun. And then I took these ornaments from the Dollar Tree. Now I want them to set right up against the candle holder, so I popped them apart, but then their antlers looked funny. So I took one of the ornaments that it didn't quite make it. One of the antlers had tangled up with something, so I just cut off both of those. And I'm going to glue them on each of the sides. So you really just do need two ornaments if you want to do this with the antlers. You could definitely cut off the antlers. You could leave it whole, whichever works best for yours. Next, I wanted to get a little bit of the greenery out. So I grabbed that Rochester garland that I have been cutting on all season long. I think I have saved a ton of money not using so many picks. I just clip this off and use a few berries, and it makes a lovely candle holder. So then I just decided I was going to take it and attach it from the back. Now you could use a popsicle stick or something behind this to give it just a little bit of support. But I just used my glue gun and used the wire in the greenery to get it in there and hold it in place. Next, I'm trying to decide on the berries. I've got those berries, or I have the regulars, just the red ones that don't have that frost on them. And then I'm trying to decide which reindeer will fit on there better, just because their antlers are sitting just a little bit differently. So I got them positioned here, and I do apologize. I am not sure how I snipped out the piece of me just wrapping the ribbon around the reindeer's neck to make a scarf. That's all I did. I took a piece of ribbon, wrapped it around, put a little bit of glue. I also want to apologize for this camera angle. My goodness, it is an extreme close-up. I really would have liked this to be a little bit higher up, but I must have bumped it down just a little lower. So I do apologize for that inconvenience of the view. So these are the berries that I did choose. I chose just the red berries. I think the red, the green, the white, and the black all come together and just create such a beautiful arrangement. And as I always say, it's just as simple as that. Anyone can do this. You just need a glue gun and a few things. Hit your thrift store. Look what you can do for Christmas. I do hope that you enjoy and you'll hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much.